The air we breathe is vital for life. We know that outdoor air pollution is a serious problem. But what about the air inside our homes? The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, has a startling fact. It ranks indoor air pollution as one of the top 5 environmental threats to our health. That's right, the air inside our homes can be more dangerous than the air outside. This might seem surprising. After all, we think of our homes as safe havens, but the truth is our homes can trap a hidden cocktail of pollutants. These pollutants can be invisible and odorless, making them even more insidious. Unlike outdoor air, which is constantly circulating, indoor air can become stagnant. This trapped air allows pollutants to build up to dangerous levels. Think of it this way, your home is like a container. Every time you use a cleaning product, burn a candle, or even just cook a meal, you're adding more pollutants to that container. Over time, these pollutants can reach concentrations that pose serious health risks. Why is indoor air quality often worse than outdoor air quality? One reason is modern construction. Our homes are built to be energy efficient, which is a good thing. However, this often means they are tightly sealed. This sealing keeps energy bills down, but it also traps pollutants inside. Another factor is the sheer number of sources of indoor air pollution. We fill our homes with furniture, carpets, and electronics, many of which emit volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. We use cleaning products, paint, and personal care items, all of which can contribute to indoor air pollution. Even everyday activities like cooking and showering can release pollutants into the air. Cooking, especially with gas stoves, can release nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter. Showers can increase humidity levels, creating a breeding ground for mold and mildew. The problem is further compounded by our modern lifestyles. We spend more and more time indoors. We work, play, and sleep in our homes. This increased exposure to indoor air pollution magnifies the health risks. The health effects of poor indoor air quality are nothing to sneeze at. Short-term exposure can lead to a range of symptoms. These include eye, nose, and throat irritation, headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. For those with pre-existing respiratory conditions like asthma, indoor air pollution can trigger attacks and worsen symptoms. Long-term exposure to indoor air pollutants is even more concerning. Studies have linked chronic exposure to an increased risk of serious health problems. These include respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and even lung cancer. Heart disease, stroke, and some neurological disorders have also been linked to prolonged exposure to poor indoor air. Children are particularly vulnerable to the effects of indoor air pollution. Their respiratory systems are still developing and they breathe at a faster rate than adults, meaning they inhale more air relative to their body weight. This makes them more susceptible to the harmful effects of pollutants. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are a common culprit in indoor air pollution. These are chemicals that evaporate at room temperature, releasing gases into the air we breathe. VOCs are found in a wide range of everyday products, making it difficult to avoid exposure entirely. One of the major sources of VOCs in our homes is building materials. Paints, varnishes, and adhesives all contain VOCs that can off-gas for months or even years after application. New furniture, especially particle board and plywood, can also release significant amounts of formaldehyde, a known carcinogen. Cleaning and personal care products are another major source of VOCs. Air fresheners, scented candles, and many cleaning solutions contain chemicals that can irritate the lungs and eyes. Even seemingly harmless products like dry-cleaned clothes and new carpets can release VOCs into the air. It's important to note that VOC levels are typically highest when products are new. As products age, they release fewer VOCs. However, it's still important to be aware of the potential sources of VOCs in your home and to take steps to minimize your exposure. Burning issues, combustion byproducts. Another major source of indoor air pollution is combustion. Whenever we burn something, whether it's gas in a stove, wood in a fireplace, or even a scented candle, it releases byproducts into the air. These byproducts can include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, and a host of other harmful substances. Gas stoves are a significant source of indoor air pollution, even when used properly. They release nitrogen dioxide, a respiratory irritant, as well as particulate matter, which can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enter the bloodstream. Gas stoves can also be a source of carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly in high concentrations. Fireplaces, while cozy and inviting, are also major sources of indoor air pollution. Wood smoke contains a complex mixture of pollutants, including particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and benzene, a known carcinogen. Even gas fireplaces, while generally cleaner than wood-burning fireplaces, still release pollutants into the air. It's important to ensure that all combustion appliances are properly vented to the outdoors. Never use a stove or oven to heat your home, and be sure to have your fireplace and chimney inspected and cleaned regularly. The living world within biological contaminants. Our homes are not just habitats for humans, they also harbour a microscopic world of bacteria, fungi and allergens. While many of these organisms are harmless, some can pose significant health risks, especially for those with allergies or weakened immune systems. Mold and mildew are among the most common and problematic biological contaminants found in homes. They thrive in damp, humid environments and can grow on a variety of surfaces, including walls, ceilings, carpets and even furniture. Mold spores, when inhaled, can trigger allergic reactions, respiratory problems, and even infections in susceptible individuals. Dust mites are another common indoor allergen. These microscopic creatures thrive in warm, humid environments and feed on dead skin cells and other organic matter. Dust mite droppings contain proteins that can trigger allergic reactions, leading to symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, and skin rashes. Pet dander, pollen, and even cockroaches can also contribute to poor indoor air quality. These allergens can trigger asthma attacks, eczema flare-ups, and other allergic reactions. Clearing the air simple steps for a healthier home. The good news is that there are many simple and effective steps you can take to improve the air quality in your home. By making a few changes to your habits and your home environment, you can significantly reduce your exposure to indoor air pollutants and create a healthier living space. One of the most effective ways to improve indoor air quality is to ventilate your home regularly. Open windows and doors whenever possible to allow fresh air to circulate. Use exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathroom to remove moisture and pollutants at the source. Another important step is to control the sources of indoor air pollution. Choose low VOC paints, varnishes and furniture. Use natural cleaning products whenever possible. Avoid using air fresheners, scented candles and other products that release VOCs into the air. Regular cleaning is also essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. Vacuum carpets and rugs frequently with a HEPA filter vacuum cleaner. Dust surfaces regularly with a damp cloth to remove dust mites and other allergens. Wash bedding in hot water weekly to kill dust mites. A breath of fresh change. Investing in air purifiers can be a worthwhile step in improving your home's air quality. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can remove a wide range of airborne particles including dust, pollen, pet dander and mold spores. Some air purifiers also have activated carbon filters that can help remove gases and odors. Consider making some changes to your home to reduce moisture and prevent mold growth. Fix any leaks promptly. Use dehumidifiers in damp areas like basements and bathrooms. Ensure that your bathroom has adequate ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. When it comes to combustion appliances, safety is paramount. Have your furnace, water heater and other gas appliances inspected and serviced annually by a qualified technician. Install carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home and test them regularly. Finally, make healthy choices. Avoid smoking indoors. Choose low VOC building materials and furnishings. Opt for natural cleaning products. By making conscious choices, you can create a healthier home environment for yourself and your family. Your health, your home. We often think of pollution as an outdoor problem, but the truth is the air inside our homes can be just as polluted, if not more so. The good news is that we have a significant degree of control over our indoor environment. By understanding the sources of indoor air pollution and taking simple steps to mitigate them, we can create healthier homes and protect our health and well-being. Remember, your home should be a sanctuary, a place where you can breathe easy and relax. By making indoor air quality a priority, you can ensure that your home is a true haven for you and your family.